Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this project. For this project you need 555 timer, 4017 and 10 LEDs, and I want to use these big LEDs. Yes. 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, 1 nanofarad capacitor, 16 kilo ohm resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor. First I want to put the components on breadboard. Okay, so first I put the ICs, potentiometer and LEDs on breadboard, and you need 1 microfarad capacitor, but I couldn't find 1 microfarad capacitor, so I want to use this 47 microfarad capacitor, and this is the final circuit. And I just changed something in here because all the negative pins of these LEDs should connect together, so I just changed them and put them like this. So you can see now all of these all of the negative pin of LEDs connect together. And because I told you you should use 1 microfarad capacitor, and now I'm using 47 microfarad capacitor, my circuit should be slower than your circuit, because you should use 1 microfarad capacitor. If you use a capacitor with higher capacity, your circuit will be slower. Okay, now let me turn it on. Okay, now as you can see, the LEDs are turning on, and if I this now it's slower when I turn this potentiometer, but I don't know why this LED doesn't turn on. So the problem is this is because of my LED. My LED, I think it's burned. So yeah, and as you can see, it works very well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like this video, and hope you like this video.